In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now. It's called ShortlyAI, and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So let me jump into the homepage of ShortlyAI and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of ShortlyAI. So as you can see, it's very clean screen. You just have to click on start writing, and here as you can see, it's for article or blog, or if you're writing a story you have to select that. So I'll just select the blog one, and here as you can see, that's the title here. So I'll just write the title like how to lose weight fast, and on the left hand side as you can see, that's the writing statistics. Then we have the article brief, and this is the output length which you can change. So if you want to lengthy the article, just scroll it to the right hand side. So in the article brief, you just have to write a post on how to lose weight. So this will be like briefing the AI exactly what you want. This is like whenever we are telling something to a friend, you have to just describe like that only. So also mention the methods in details. You just have to brief the AI about exactly what you want. And also first we have to start writing. We have to at least like 2-3 lines. So the AI will automatically come to know exactly what we need to write there. So I've just written this 2-3 lines here. So once you have written everything, you just have to click on writing, so that AI will automatically write it for you. So as you can see here, the AI is automatically writing. So again click on write for me. So it will again write the article. So as you can see, the AI is very beautifully writing the article for you. So again, if you want to write, you just have to click on write for me. So again, if you want to give some topics, so as you can see, I have given a topic: effective ways to lose weight. So I have just written these 2 lines, and again I'll click on write for me. So the AI will automatically write the content according to the content which I had given in the first 2 lines there. So it's automatically writing it for me. So using this ShortlyAI, you can easily write 2000 words article in 5 to 10 minutes. So again I'll just click on write for me. See, the AI is beautifully writing it down. So as you can see, the article is almost complete. So once everything is done, you just have to click on back, and here as you can see, it's already saved here. So you just have to copy it from here, and you can just post it in your WordPress blog there. So using this, it's very easy to write articles. So there you go guys, ShortlyAI is a really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more, and in just few seconds. So if you are interested in picking this up, just click the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.